Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Asnit and today I'm gonna unbox this 12 days of nails from Ulta Beauty. This is what the inside looks like. I just saw this whenever I went up to Ulta and I thought it would be really cool because I went there to get some press-on nails, and when I saw this I thought, okay, well maybe I could just repolish my nails. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox all 12 items with you so that you can see what's inside. So on the back it does say this 12-day countdown is the perfect gift for you or anyone nail obsessed. Inside each box is a limited edition surprise. It says try not to peek, but I'm gonna go ahead and open all of them. So in the number one, let's see. So the first one just says it's a little snow-kissed polish. It does just look like white, but it looks like it has a little bit of a reflect in it, so that'll be super cute. You can see when I turn it, you kind of see it a little bit, but mainly you see the light reflecting off the bottle. So that'll be super cute. Maybe I can do like a little snowman or something with it. So number two. So it is a nail polish remover pads. So that's neat. It says there's 15. So they are already pre-soaked with the nail polish remover, so that's pretty neat. Super exciting, convenient if you're on the go and you need to like fix a nail really quick. Number three. Mitten. We have a little pink one. It's called Mitten, so that's super cute. I think that'll be neat. I don't ever really do pink nail polish, so that might be pretty cute to try out. Alrighty, so now we're at number four. Oh. Ooh, this one's pretty. So this one's called Spiced, and that is actually really pretty. I don't know if you can see it because of my lights, but that is gonna be so neat. It'll be really pretty to try out. It looks kind of like a burgundy with some sparkles in it. This might end up being the one that I do my nails with first. Number five. Sweater weather. So number five is like a blue. I don't know if you can see it because my lights. It's like a blue shade. It's gonna be really hard to see these colors with my lights reflecting off the glass bottle, so I'm sorry about that. But it's a pretty like navy blue, so that'll be cute. I could actually use this blue one and then do the snowman on top of the navy blue, so that'd be super cute. Number six. So we got, some little rhinestones and pearls. How cute will that be? Ooh, that'll be super cute. Number seven. It's a little snowflake nail file. So that's super cute. It'd be convenient, just throw it in my purse and have it in there in case I need it. Number eight. So number eight is just a little top coat. So that'll be super convenient. I can use this whenever I do my nails with these ones. Number nine. Oh, so this one is a matte top coat. So that'll be neat. I can do like a matte look with some of them. And if you don't like glossy, you can always use this one to make a matte. Number 10. I think the boxes are so stinking cute. Oh, it's a little sticker set. It's got some hearts and some stars on it. They go from like big to small, so that's pretty cute. I think my daughter would really get a kick out of these ones. Number 11. Ooh. We got evergreen, so it's just a green polish. That's super cool. Maybe I can use this one to do some little Christmas trees. If I like paint them with that like burgundy color, I can do a little Christmas tree on my thumbnail. The last one is number 12. This one feels super light. What do we got? Oh, It's a little cuticle balm, so that's cute. You can just go ahead and throw this on so that if you got some dry, cracked cuticles, it'll make them look all better. So that was the 12 Days of Nails from Ulta Beauty. If you guys pick it up, definitely let me know what you think about it. I am about to do something with these nails now because they look terrible. I had red polish on that had been chipping off for the past week, so yeah. Finally got it taken off, and I forgot to use a base coat whenever I did it, so my nails are stained a little bit, but I think it'll be all right. These colors look pretty pigmented, so I think they'll cover it just fine. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe so that you can see future videos I'll be posting on my channel 2 to 3 times a week, along with Vlogmas every single day. If you're interested in picking up this little box, definitely comment below and let me know what you think about it. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.